On this episode of ScottVsBox, I open up Rick and Morty action figure, Morty. Not Marty, Morty. Are you confused? No, let me help you out here. It's Morty, not Marty. It's a very popular show. You should Google it.
ScottVsBox!
This is Rick and Morty action figure of Morty. Yes, these are awesome. Of course, the show on Adult Swim. If you don't know it, get your butt on a couch and start watching. It's one of the best things ever. Oh man! So it's a fully. What do you get out of here? It includes a left arm for Snowball Build-A-Figure. So I don't know if you know this. On these here, you collect all 5 figures. You can build Snowball in the mech suit. How amazing is that? He's made by FunKo. Love FunKo. And glad they're branching out from just the little tiny sort of dolls, the non-action figures, but these are action figures. So yeah, I got Morty right here. I'm gonna someday, I'll get them all. You'll see. I'll get the whole set, I wills. So let's get my Morty got here. What's Morty got here? Ooh. Whoa, everything came out easily. So there's the left arm. Man, they really get you. Because if you just got this normally, you'd be like, oh man, well, I don't want this. This is garbage. But then you're compelled. You're like, I got to build Snowball. I must build Snowball. Here it's Morty. All right, so he's got the wide-eyed expression. He's got his little legs right there. Does he stand up good? He stands up pretty good. He's got a phaser blaster. I like that. Goes right. There we go. Goes right into the hand. Nope. It goes right into the hand. This sorta. Maybe it's better in the other hand. And then, yep. Just get right in there. Come on now. There we go. Yeah. Oh, man, I got me a Morty action figure. I can really live it up now. Ooh, serial number. And yes, the adventures begin with Morty. But soon, will it be Mr. Meeseeks, Bird Person, Mr. Poopy Butthole? Who's to say? Who's to say? Morty! Oh, Jessica. Oh, why isn't there a Jessica figure? Oh, Morty! Another successful unboxing. Be sure to click up here to subscribe to ScottVsBox and check out more videos right over here. And join the notification squad by clicking that bell right down there. So many unboxings. I'm getting too buff. Yeah, you can see it. I mean, you don't need to squint. You can just move on to the next video.